Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are gonna unbox and review the AirPods Pro. So I am recording this video when I got the AirPods, but when I am gonna edit it and post the review, it will be like after 2 months or so. So I bought the AirPods Pro with the MagSafe from the Chroma, and I got with the discount and everything around 16,700. And now you won't be able to find that deal because now I can see the price is around 21,000 or something. So let's get started. So as you can see, it's AirPods with MagSafe. It is written on the back. And prior to this one, I was using the ZSN Pro X with my Android. So I'm gonna give you a review as well, like which ones sound better and everything. As it's been a while, so let me tell you that my experience with the AirPods Pro is pretty good so far. Not because of the sound quality, but with the overall experience, like comfort and the active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Plus, switching in between the Apple devices is way too smooth. I will give you the example. So, in the box, you will get this manual with sticker, I guess. So, this is the manual. I guess there was no stickers. I don't remember whether there were some stickers or not because I am doing the voiceover after 2 months or so. So here you have the AirPods Pro, and I am sure that we will not get the latest firmware, so I will have to update the firmware in order to use the spatial audio. So you will get a lightning cable. Now I have a lot of lightning cables laying around here and there, so I'm not gonna use this one. You will get three different type of ear tips. One is already installed, which is medium one, and small and large. So there is a fit test which you can do from the AirPods and the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, which will give you a perfect fit for your ear. For me, it's medium plus large, so I'm using medium. So with the MagSafe, that silver part on the back of the case, that's the MagSafe part, which is magnet for your wireless charging. And we have a reset button. The build quality is, it does look like cheap plastic, but it feels good in hands and not like normal plastic at all. So the outer array is the outer microphones, I guess, and the inner one is inner microphones for the active noise cancellation and transparency. And just a quick suggestion to all of you who's gonna purchase the AirPods Pro. If you get the AirPods Pro at the price which I got, then you can use the like 2500 or something for the Apple Care Plus. Why I'm saying this? Because that will cover your AirPods for this liquid damage and any accidental damage. You will simply get a replacement like for 1500 or 2500 for each AirPod in case they get any sort of damage. Because if you're gonna purchase a single AirPod, it's gonna be like 9,000 or 11,000 something. That is way better. Plus, if there's any battery issues within the span of 2 years, you can simply get it replaced. So as you can see, the pairing part is pretty smooth. You can simply open the lid of the case and you will get the all of the options. Meanwhile, I'm setting this up. Let me tell you how the quick pairing with across all of your Apple devices works. You just need to sign in with the same Apple ID with which you're signed in on the device. Let's say for this iPhone, I'm signed in with an Apple ID A. So if I will sign in with same Apple ID on across all of your Apple devices like Apple TV, your iPhone or iPad, then as soon as you will play any content on any of your devices and not playing on other one, it will quickly switch over to other one. It works really well, at least in my case of AirPods, Apple TV and MacBook. So I'm pretty sure that the firmware is not up to date, so I'm gonna do that first. So after updating the firmware and everything, I've been using it for like 2 months or so. So now it's gonna be a quick review, because I can't tell you that how they're gonna sound over the video, because I don't have any instruments or anything like to measure that. So one thing, the sound quality is obviously better on ZSN Pro X, which I got like 1600 or something. So it is 10 times cheaper but sound better as compared to AirPods Pro. It's not like AirPods sounds worse or something like that, but if I will give ZSN Pro 9 out of 10, then AirPods will be 7 out of 10. Apart from the sound quality, you will get the convenience, and like there is no too little weight in your ear as compared to ZSN Pro. Like they are pretty heavy as compared to AirPods, plus no cables, so the convenience of wireless. So if you are an Apple user, I will definitely recommend AirPods Pro, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below.